In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in Asana. 5 minutes. Task templates are perfect for work you repeat often, like onboarding checklists, content production steps, or QA reviews. They help your team stay consistent and save time by giving everyone the same starting point every time. Let's begin by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, enter your work email address and select Continue. On the next screen, type your password and log in. If your organization uses extra security, just complete those prompts as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. From here, choose the project where you want the template to live. Templates are tied to a project, so pick the one your team already uses for this type of work. Click into that project to open it. In the top right corner of the project, open the Customize panel. This is where you configure project level features such as fields, rules, and what we need today, task templates. Inside that panel, click Add, then choose Task Template. Asana will open a simple editor to set up your template. Start by giving your template a clear, action-oriented name. Think of something your teammates will immediately recognize, like blog post draft checklist or client kickoff task. A good naming convention makes it easy to find the right template later and reduces the chance of duplicate variations. If your team uses prefixes or tags, you can include those in the name to keep things organized. When you're happy with the name, click Done to save. Now, to confirm it's available, open task templates from the same Customize panel. You'll see the template you just created listed there. This is its home inside the project, so you can come back to review or manage it whenever you need. Seeing it here means it's ready for your team to use consistently across tasks in this project. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Create templates in the projects where the work actually happens so you get the right fields and context by default. Use names that reflect the purpose and the process, not just a vague label. And let your teammates know where the template lives so they can adopt it immediately. That's it, a fast, reliable way to standardize your team's work in Asana using task templates. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you set yours up.